Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So as requested, today I am going to do my Sephora VIB sales recommendation list for you guys. I was going to do a wish list, but I decided I personally am probably not going to participate in the sale this year just because, yeah, you are saving 15% off, but I'm saving a lot more money by backing off and not buying anything right now because there really isn't anything that I need. But I definitely think there are some things that you guys should consider picking up if you have some money that you want to spend while makeup is on sale, because makeup is like never on sale. But really quickly, let's talk about the dates and the sale itself. So if you are a VIB Rouge or just the regular VIB member, then you get 15% off, and if you are just a beauty insider, you get 10% off. The sale starts for VIB Rouge members April 13th through the 16th, and the sale opens up to both the VIB members and the insiders April 20th to the 23rd. So if you are VIB Rouge, you can shop both April 13th to the 16th and again the 20th to the 23rd, and then VIB and insiders only get 20 to the 23rd. Hopefully that makes sense. You can look up the details online, and they will give you the codes as well online too. The way that I made my list and that I chose products is, one, things that I find that I run out of fast. So this is a good time to replenish while it's on sale, because I would have bought it if it wasn't on sale anyways, because I consider them staples in my collection, but I run out of them fast. So this is a good time to get some backups, and then also some more expensive items that really never go on sale, so you might want to consider picking them up, as well as new spring releases, just because they're new releases and you can get them on sale for the spring. Right? Okay, anyway, so I'm going to start off first with my essential items that are boring, but I really love, so I recommend you guys pick them up. By the way, I don't really have anything with me, so I'm just going to show you pictures because I'm at home right now just for the weekend. So I didn't bring that much makeup with me. But the first one I have for you is the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is the best powder. I use it all the time to set my face, to bake, so you use a lot of it, especially when you use it every day. It's $38 before the sale. The next item I'm recommending to you is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Liner. This is personally my favorite my favorite pen liner. They dry out pretty fast, so I would definitely recommend picking it up while it's on sale. Actually, I might pick it up because mine is drying out, so I'm gonna probably pick that up. So it's a good time to buy it because, you know, you run out of it fast. The next item I have is both pricey and a staple in my collection. It is the Dior Airflash Foundation. I haven't mentioned this on my channel yet, but this is my all-time favorite foundation. I don't talk about it because it's mad expensive, but since it's on sale, it's a good time to pick it up. It's $62, but it's the best foundation ever. I only use it on special occasions because I don't want to waste it. So they are repackaging it, so I heard, so a lot of their colors are sold out right now, so you might want to go into store and see if they have your color. But yeah, this is the best foundation in the world, so I'm so excited to mention it to you guys. You definitely should pick it up while it's on sale. Another foundation that I'm recommending to you guys, because foundation is a little bit more pricey, is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This originally is $43. I recommended this to you before. I hadn't used it for a while, and I used it yesterday, and I was like, wow, I need to use this more. I forgot how much I loved it. It's a really nice, reliable foundation. So if you're looking into foundations and don't want to spend $62 but still have a little bit of coin to spend, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD is a good one. Also, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I've been loving this guy lately. It's not my favorite primer, but it is a good time to pick it up because it's an expensive primer. It is $42, but it is so moisturizing, so I would definitely get it on sale if you have dry skin. So that is a good time to pick that guy up. Also, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. That's my personal favorite brow pencil. I go through brow pencils like they're water. If you missed out on Ulta's most recent sale where you can get the Brow Wiz for 50% off, I mean, you're still saving a little bit of money by buying it from the sale, but you missed out because I bought it for 50% off. But if you didn't, this is an okay time to pick it up for 15% off. It is originally $21, so you still are saving money and it's my favorite brow pencil, so I recommend picking that up if you can. Alright, so now we're going to go into more of the fun stuff, because that was just the boring essential stuff that I feel like you should check out. So first I want to talk about just smaller items, spring releases. So the first one I think you should get. Pause. I'm not sure where I got this pencil from or where it came from, but I swung it around the whole rest of this video, so yeah. That is the ABH Soft Glam palette. This palette is $42. I've been loving this palette. I actually used it on my eyes today. It's great for everyday wear. It has the best colors, and I think so many different skin tones and different types of people will love this palette. It's so wearable, and some people were complaining that ABH came out with a wearable palette. Like, why would they do that? Because that's what most people wear. And it's a lovely palette. I've been obsessed with it lately, so this is a good time to pick it up if you haven't had a chance to yet. Also, the Amrezy Highlighter. I personally am not picking it up, and I personally have not tried it, but it is $28, and that's a very, is it $28 or $38? Well, whatever, $28, $38, that's still a hefty price to pay for an individual highlighter, but I heard a lot of people have been loving it. They've been raving about it, so definitely pick that up for 15% off, because it seems pretty hyped about, and I'm going to take people's words for it that it's good. Also, I would recommend picking up the Fenty liquid lipstick. It's just the Uncensored red color. It's the most beautiful color. It's $24, so it's very expensive, but it's the most universal red color. People were saying there's something about it, even though it's a red, and it's so true. There is something about that shade of red that just looks good on everybody. It's one of my favorite reds in my collection, and $24 is pretty expensive, so I would definitely get it while you can on the sale, because it is a gorgeous red, and I guarantee you it's going to look good on you. Also, for some reason, I could never get myself to spend $18 on the Fenty Glossbomb. I did just recently pick up the small size, but if you haven't gotten a chance to yet, I would definitely pick it up for the sale, because it's a really good gloss, and what people were saying was true, so good time to pick the Glossbomb up. I also really like the NARS Powermatte lip pigments. They're pretty drying, but they're, oh my gosh, you guys, they pack so much pigment in them. They're very, very beautiful. So go to the store. They have a lovely, lovely color range. If you get it in a red, it's going to be a showstopper. This is $26. It's a more expensive lip product, which is why I thought I would throw it in this video, because I have been wearing a couple shades recently and I've really been enjoying them. So I thought I'd share the love with you guys. Also, I've been raving about the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid shadows for like the past year. They are $24. They're not very cheap. So definitely pick it up now if you can. They're my favorite glitter products in the world. Diamond Dust is lovely. The Rose Gold one is gorgeous. Kitten Karma, a lot of people love. Those are really amazing glitter products, so get them on sale while you can, because they're not cheap and they don't go on sale. Alright, so finally we're going to talk about some expensive eyeshadows that everybody always tells you to buy on these sales. So I'm going to recommend the new Pat McGrath Little Baby Motherships. I have a review of them. I will link it down below and in the cards. I also have a tutorial using each one individually. I will link those down below. They are lovely. They are $55, which is expensive for 6 shadows. But since they are new spring releases, this is the perfect time to get them. I love them. Pat McGrath has my favorite eyeshadow formula ever. And if you are a VIB Rouge, I recommend you snatch them up fast, because I have a feeling a lot of people are planning to get them during this sale. Now, originally I was going to recommend the big Mothership palettes to you guys. They are $125. However, I would wait till the later in the year VIB Rouge sale, where you get 20% off as opposed to 15% off. But if you can't wait that long, I'm recommending the first Mothership palette to you and the third Mothership palette to you. Those are my favorite. The first one I think is more friendly towards people who want, you know, more wearable colors. It has more basic colors in there, and the third one is just really pretty, so use your best judgment to see what one you think you would use the most. But if you can't wait and you want to get them on sale, even for just 15% off rather than 20%, get them. They're amazing. Like I just said, Pat McGrath eyeshadow formulas, like, you won't regret it. So get them on sale. Also, the Natasha Denona 28 eyeshadow palettes I was going to recommend. They are $239. Is it $200? I can't read my own handwriting, but they're over $230. So I would wait till the later sale to get them for 20% off, because that really does add up. So I was going to recommend that, but now I'm not. So I'm just going to recommend the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, which is $129. So get that for 15% off. It's a beautiful palette for the summer, so I know you guys are going to love it. I just did a tutorial using that, so be sure to check it out. I will link it in the cards. I will link it down below, and if it's not up yet, it will be very soon. But that is a beautiful palette, and you're going to love it for the summer, so this is the perfect time to pick that one up. If you're more into the pinky purpley tones, check out the Lila palette. That one's beautiful as well. I just think more people would love the Sunset palette. Alright, so that's all I have for my Sephora recommendations for you guys. However, just go on the website, take a peek, see what you like. These are just things that I happen to like that I think you should take advantage of the sale for, but everybody's opinions on makeup are different, so take a look, see what you think you need, see what you think you would like, because there are a lot of great things that you can check out and buy. And yeah, this is a super exciting time because makeup like never goes on sale. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye, have a great day.